Okay, this is what my subwoofer does normally. It's just a normal sub, but I find it good. Bass is gonna come in a sec. It's hard to see. It's hard to see on the corner, but when I play to a good volume, it'll really pump. Here it comes. That distortion is just the camera. Moving. I have it full bass. This is Late Night Bass by Bass Electronics. It's really blowing out air. If you were here, you would feel it. It would. Like awesome sub for its price. And that is my sub. Thanks for watching.